Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide BitLocker drive encryption from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide BitLocker drive encryption on control panel, click on search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel. In view Y, click on drop down menu here and then select large icons. Here you will find BitLocker drive encryption to encrypt any volume or folder from your computer. This option is very important. Now I am going to hide this option from control panel. Close control panel. Go to search. Type GP edit. Click on edit group policy. Here under user configuration, expand administrative template. Now click on control panel and here you will find a setting, hide specified control panel items. Right click on it and click on edit. Now click on enabled and you will find list of disallowed control panel items and you will find here a show button. Click on show button. In value type here Microsoft dot BitLocker drive encryption, type as it is. Now click on OK. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Look, the setting is enabled. Close group policy editor and right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update space/force to make effective group policy update immediately and then click on OK. Updating the policy. Now you need to log out your computer and then log on. Click on start menu and click on your user profile name and then click on sign out. Now I'm going to check. Go to search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel and look, in control panel BitLocker drive encryption is not showing right now and it's hidden. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.